Coronary artery disease. CAD. What is CAD? CAD is the narrowing or blockage of coronary arteries due to atherosclerosis. Leads to reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. May cause chest pain, angina, heart attacks, myocardial infarction, or heart failure. Pathophysiology. Damage to the inner lining of the coronary arteries, endothelium, occurs due to factors like hypertension, smoking, or high cholesterol. LDL cholesterol and other substances accumulate at the site of injury, forming plaques. Plaques narrow the arterial lumen, restricting blood flow. Plaque rupture can lead to clot formation, causing partial or complete arterial blockage. Decreased oxygen supply to the myocardium leads to ischemia or infarction. Risk factors. Modifiable, smoking. High blood pressure. High cholesterol levels. Diabetes mellitus. Obesity. Physical inactivity. Poor diet. Excessive alcohol consumption. Stress. Non-modifiable, age. Risk increases with age. Male gender. Family history of coronary artery disease. Genetic predisposition. Signs and symptoms. Chest pain, angina, especially during physical activity or stress. Shortness of breath. Fatigue and weakness. Pain radiating to the shoulders, arms, neck, jaw, or back. Nausea and vomiting. Excessive sweating, dizziness or lightheadedness. Silent ischemia, particularly in diabetics. Diagnostic tests. Electrocardiogram, ECG detects ischemia or infarction. Exercise stress test, assesses cardiac response to physical stress. Echocardiogram, evaluates heart structure and function. Coronary angiography, visualize the coronary arteries. Blood tests, lipid profile, cardiac enzymes, troponin, CRP. CT coronary angiogram, non-invasive imaging of coronary arteries. Medical management, lifestyle modifications, eat a heart-healthy diet, low fat, low sodium. Regular physical activity, weight control. Smoking cessation. Stress management techniques. Medications, antiplatelet drugs, aspirin, clopidogrel. Statins to lower cholesterol. Beta blockers to reduce heart workload. ACE inhibitors or ARBs to lower blood pressure. Nitrates to relieve angina. Calcium channel blockers if necessary. Surgical interventions. Percutaneous coronary intervention, PCI, balloon angioplasty and stent placement to open blocked arteries. Coronary artery bypass graft, CABG, surgery, grafting blood vessels from other parts of the body to bypass blocked arteries. Nursing care plan. Nursing diagnosis, ineffective tissue perfusion related to decreased coronary blood flow. Goals, improve myocardial oxygenation. Alleviate chest pain. Prevent further cardiac complications. Nursing interventions, monitor ECG, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. Administer prescribed medications and monitor for side effects. Educate patient on medication compliance and symptom monitoring. Encourage healthy lifestyle choices. Provide emotional support and reduce anxiety. Monitor for signs of heart failure or arrhythmias. Evaluation, patient experiences relief from chest pain. Stable vital signs and improved ECG findings. Patient demonstrates understanding of disease management and lifestyle changes. Patient education. Importance of taking medications as prescribed. Recognizing early signs of angina or myocardial infarction. Maintaining a heart-healthy diet and regular exercise routine. Stress reduction techniques. Smoking cessation. Attending regular follow-up appointments. Prognosis and complications. Prognosis. can be managed with proper treatment and lifestyle changes. Complications: myocardial infarction, heart failure, arrhythmias, sudden cardiac arrest.